Welcome back to Freedom Prison Consulting. I'm going to explain some statistics to you and also the various points you may be in during a federal investigation. So you may be notified by a letter that you are a subject or a target of an investigation. For some of you, that may be the first you realize that you are now involved in a federal investigation. Most of you already know that there is a problem before you get that notice. Maybe there was a raid, maybe other people you are associated with have been contacted or even arrested by the feds. Most of the time, it's not a surprise. It's still a big, stressful situation. A subject means that they believe some crime may have been committed and you know something about that. If you are told that you are a target, that means a crime was committed and you had something to do with committing it. They may think you were the mastermind or that you just knew it was happening. Oh, it's not necessary for the federal government to prove you intended to break the law, only that you did break the law, even if you didn't know the regulation existed. Of course, if you don't have an attorney already, you need one if you receive this notification expressing that you are the target of an investigation. The court will appoint one to you if you can't afford an attorney at this point. A court-appointed attorney is just fine. Defense attorneys should, I believe, call themselves representation attorneys. As a rule, they do what is necessary to advise you to say and do nothing to make your situation worse. They respond on your behalf to the prosecution. The court-appointed does the same thing, and it won't use up all your assets. The court-appointed attorney is much more likely to advise you to take a plea as quickly as possible. I won't get into the reasoning for taking a plea. However, they are paid by the system, and the system likes pleas. I've said it before, but it's worth repeating. Seek a plea as early as possible. Be the first in your case to take a plea because chances are that you will receive the shortest sentence of anyone in your case. Don't give the prosecution any reason to dislike you any more than they already may. They like defendants who are remorseful and humble and accept guilt as quickly as possible. Oh, and do be cooperative and don't lie to them. I know it seems crazy that I say don't lie when I'm also telling you to take a plea on the charges the government hit you with. We know those charges are often misguided or downright wrong. I wish I had something encouraging to say to this, but the system is very messed up, and facts are not as important as it seems when the prosecution's ability to tell a compelling narrative is quite remarkable. They are, I believe, more than willing to do that regardless of the facts, so I can only say that our goal is for you to get through this and home to your family as fast as possible. Going to trial and proving your innocence is a great thought, I know, but the government has unlimited resources. They bring unimaginable pressure on others to say things to help their case despite how inaccurate it may be. The prosecution doesn't get in trouble for lying, and they do lie. I suggest you read License to Lie. It's a book about the U.S. Attorney's Office hiding evidence that was favorable to the defendant and lying in court. It's an important book for you to read in order to better understand the broken system you are mixed in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and message us to see if we can help you on this tough journey. We are here to help guide you through this nightmare.